giving you a basic tour of Windows 8. Actually, to be more exact, Windows 8.1. So let's get into this. So here you can see your basic start menu, or basic start bar, basic task bar, like is in every other version of Microsoft Windows. Now here you see your start button and your normal desktop. So, just a sec here. So, basically here you have your desktop like any other version of Windows. So, when you click on your start button, you'll get this Metro kind of interface. It's not your normal start menu, and it never will be. So, here you can click and move your tiles around. You can right click and change the sizes of them. Resize. You can change them to any size that you want. Alright. Now, you can just click on it and your app will open. Usually this bar won't be here. I modified the system so it is, but yeah, it probably won't be there for you. So to get out of it, all you have to do is drag down for you and also for me too. So now that we got this done here, you can see, stupid flute fly. So now you can see where it says My PC, Power, and Search. We'll get to that later. Now let's just check out this little arrow here. It won't say 14 new apps installed. It might for you if you have a new computer. But, so here if you click on this, it will show every single application that you have on this computer. So I have quite a bit. I have all the default apps, and then I have everything here like Firefox, Chrome, Paint.net. Now you can see this is all in alphabetical order. A, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K is not there, L, M, N, O, P, this is Q somewhere. Anyways, basic thing you can see. Alright, now you have this little scroll bar here you can use. Click here. Now up here, this brings you back to that. So now let's check out this. Okay, so if you click on here, you have to change the account picture, lock, or sign out. You can pick any of those options, and then it will just do the following task. This is power options. It will give you those. Search. This is going to bring up your search bar, which we're going to get to a bit later. So now what you're going to basically do is, well, another thing is called the charms bar. If you move your mouse right into the top corner and then down, you'll get this. You have a clock, and then start, search, share, devices, and settings. So start brings you to your start menu. Search lets you search. Share basically brings you to the share menu. Alright, now if you go to devices, it basically brings up that like you normally would assume. Alright, so now if you go to settings, you'll have your desktop, control panel, personalization, PC info, and help. So this is basically going to bring you to desktop. This is going to bring you to your control panel, which is not change PC settings. Personalization is going to bring you to the right click, which I'll show you later. PC info is going to bring up, well, the PC's info. Let's see. This is a pretty crappy computer, but still. So now let's go back here, back to settings. So you have your internet here. You have your sound. You have your brightness, which will only be available on laptops. You have notifications. This is all your notifications, basically. Tells you how long you want to hide it for. You have your power options, same as the start menu, and keyboard. So now if you click on change PC settings, it brings you into this Metro app. Anytime. Oh, see, this is what it's going to look like. There's not going to be any bars for you. So now you have your PC settings. You have PC devices, accounts, OneDrive, search and apps, privacy, network, time and language, ease of access, update and recovery, and then control panel. So right here you can change your lock screen picture or anything you want. Now also if you move it to the corner, this will come up. You can click on this. It brings you back to there. But then when you click on your start button again, it brings you back to the app that you're in. So PC and devices here. It brings you to your lock screen here and all this junk. Now display here is basically just going to be giving you your normal orientation, all that stuff. Devices is going to tell you all the devices pretty much, which is pretty self-explanatory. See, I'm using a wireless device here. USB keyboard, sync master monitor, mass storage device, which is my second hard drive. And this is my wireless adapter. Mouse and trackpad, or touchpad, this is, you can see what that does. Typing is your keyboard. Corners and edges is the stuff here, like that. So actually, if you move to the corner and pull down, it will bring up all the open apps. Bring it to the corner, and it will bring up your, little start menu, and it will also bring up your taskbar if you hold it there for a bit. Power and sleep is, power and sleep. Autoplay is basically removable devices and stuff. Disk space tells you how much space you have left. So if you let this load up, you can see here's my first drive. My second drive doesn't show up here, which is weird. But yeah, now PC info is the same. Basically, it says your PC info. Alright, so now, like I said, to get out of it, all you have to do is drag down. So now that you're back here, we've covered all the settings. Now, here is all your basic stuff. This says I'm recording. That won't show up for you guys. Here's your clock. You can change your clock options by clicking on it. And also, you have your normal applications here. Now, you can add one by dragging it onto it, or remove one by just dragging it up, and then clicking unpin this program from taskbar, and it just disappears. So now here I am in my computer, which is this PC on Windows 8 and 10. So for the desktop, we have all the normal folders here. You can see my 2 hard drives, my DVD-ROM drive. Here's my folders again. Home group, which is basically just file sharing. You have network, so this is going to show all the PCs on my network. So I'm just not going to do that. Alright, so that's basically Windows 8. Now, to empty the recycling bin from your desktop, you simply want to right-click, empty recycle bin. Okay, now to create a new folder, you just right-click. Why is it being so slow? What's this? Oh, my 98. So, that was actually bogging it down quite a bit. You just go to new, and it shows you folders. Now, this is what the personalize option was going to bring you to. You can see it brings you to where you can do that stuff, pretty much. So now if we go into the start menu, god damn it, go into your start menu, you can go to the corner again. Now if you go to personalization, or personalize, on the start menu, it brings up a bunch of different options. You can see it brings up your colors here. You can change your background color, but it's only going to work here because I have something selected. Alright, now you can see a bunch of different options here. You can pick red for here. You can basically pick anything, basically, that you could want. I'm going to go back to my desktop picture. Now, to select a different color, this is all you have to do. Just find that. Click on the color that you want. For accent color, just you can select it, select that. Not sure what that does, but yeah. There we go. So basically that's Windows 8 for you guys. So guys, thank you all for watching so much. Hope to catch you guys next one. I'll see ya.